Deep in the heart of the Indonesian jungle, where the dense canopy filters the sunlight into a mosaic of light and shadow, a team of scientists embarked on an expedition that would change our understanding of human history. These scientists, equipped with the latest technology and driven by an insatiable curiosity, were determined to uncover the secrets hidden within this ancient landscape. The year was 2032, a time when advancements in technology had made it possible to explore even the most remote corners of our planet with unprecedented precision. The scientists were exploring a network of caves, their headlamps cutting through the darkness like beacons of discovery. These caves, untouched for millennia, held the promise of untold secrets waiting to be unearthed. The air was thick with humidity, the silence broken only by the dripping of water echoing through the cavernous space. Every step they took was a step into the unknown, a journey into the depths of history. Little did they know they were about to stumble upon a secret hidden for millennia, a secret that would challenge everything we thought we knew about our ancestors. As they ventured deeper into the cave system, they came across a sight that made their hearts race. Their flashlights illuminated a hidden part of the cave, revealing something extraordinary. A near-complete skeleton lay half-buried in the cave floor, its bones gleaming eerily in the dim light. It was as if the past had been frozen in time, waiting for this moment of discovery. It was a human skeleton, but with features unlike any they had ever seen. The bones were both familiar and alien, a puzzle that begged to be solved. The skull was particularly strange, its bones thin and almost flexible. This was unlike any human remains they had encountered before, suggesting a lineage that was both ancient and unique. Excitement gripped the team as they realized the magnitude of their discovery. They knew they had found something that could potentially rewrite the story of human evolution. This was no ordinary skeleton. The unique features suggested a branch of the human family tree that had remained hidden until now. This was something entirely new, something that could rewrite the story of human evolution. The implications of this find were staggering, and the scientists could hardly contain their excitement as they discussed the potential impact of their discovery. The scientists carefully extracted the skeleton from the cave, eager to get it back to the lab for further analysis. They knew that every detail, every fragment of bone could hold clues to this ancient mystery. They knew they had stumbled upon something truly extraordinary, but they were unprepared for the secrets the skeleton held. As they carried the remains through the jungle, their minds raced with possibilities and questions. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. News of the find spread quickly, and soon experts from around the world were eager to learn more about this mysterious ancestor. The world held its breath, waiting to learn more about this mysterious ancestor. The media buzzed with speculation, and people everywhere were captivated by the unfolding story. What they would soon discover was even more astonishing than they could have imagined. The skeleton held secrets that would not only change our understanding of human history, but also challenge our perceptions of what it means to be human. Back in the lab, the scientists began the painstaking work of analyzing the skeleton. Each bone was meticulously cleaned and catalogued, and the team worked tirelessly to uncover the secrets hidden within this ancient relic. The atmosphere in the lab was electric, filled with a sense of anticipation and wonder. Every discovery, no matter how small, was a step closer to understanding the mysterious origins of this unique skeleton. Carbon dating revealed that it was tens of thousands of years old, placing it in a time when early humans were spreading across the globe. This revelation was astonishing, as it suggested that this skeleton belonged to a period of significant human migration and evolution. The scientists were eager to learn more about how this individual lived and what role they might have played in their society, but it was the skull that continued to fascinate and puzzle the researchers. Unlike any skull they'd seen before, it held clues that could potentially rewrite our understanding of human evolution. The unique features of the skull raised numerous questions about the individual's identity and their place in the human lineage. The bones of the skull were thinner and more delicate than those of modern humans. This fragility suggested a different kind of lifestyle, perhaps one that required less physical strength and more adaptability. The scientists speculated that this individual might have lived in a unique environment that demanded such physical traits. But it was the flexibility of the bones that was truly remarkable. The ability of the skull bones to bend and flex without breaking was unlike anything the scientists had ever encountered. This flexibility could have provided significant advantages, such as the ability to withstand impacts or adapt to different pressures. The scientists realized that the skull could actually change shape, the bones shifting and rearranging to create an entirely different facial structure. This discovery was groundbreaking, suggesting that this individual had the ability to alter their appearance in response to their environment or social needs. The implications of such an ability were profound, potentially offering insights into the social dynamics and survival strategies of early humans. Further examination revealed that the entire skeleton possessed this remarkable flexibility. The bones of the arms, legs, and spine all exhibited the same pliability as the skull, indicating that this was a widespread trait rather than a localized anomaly. This flexibility could have allowed for a greater range of movement and adaptability, making this individual highly versatile in their environment. The bones were connected by a network of ligaments and cartilage that allowed for an incredible range of movement. This intricate system of connections provided both strength and flexibility, enabling the skeleton to withstand various stresses and strains. The scientists marveled at the complexity and efficiency of this design, which seemed to be perfectly suited for a dynamic and ever-changing environment. It was as if the skeleton was designed to adapt and change, to mold itself to different environments and situations. This adaptability could have been a crucial survival mechanism, allowing the individual to thrive in diverse and challenging conditions. The scientists speculated that this trait might have been a key factor in the success and longevity of this ancient population. The implications of this discovery were staggering. If this skeleton represented a new branch of the human family tree, it could change our understanding of human evolution and adaptation. The ability to change one's physical form could have had profound effects on social interactions, survival strategies, and even cultural development. Could this be a new species of human, one that possessed the ability to change its appearance at will? The scientists debated this possibility, considering the evolutionary advantages such a trait could confer. If true, this discovery could open up new avenues of research into the diversity and adaptability of early human populations. The scientists were entering uncharted territory, their minds racing with possibilities. They knew that this discovery could have far-reaching implications, not just for our understanding of human history, but for the future of anthropology and evolutionary biology. As they continued their research, they were filled with a sense of excitement and curiosity, eager to uncover the full story of the skeleton that could change its face. The next stage of the investigation took the scientists deep into the world of genetics. They were able to extract DNA from the skeleton's teeth and bones, hoping to unlock the secrets of its extraordinary abilities. The analysis revealed a genetic mutation unlike anything seen before. This mutation, found in a gene related to bone growth and development, was responsible for the skeleton's flexibility, but it went beyond just making the bones more pliable. The mutation allowed the individual to consciously control the shape of their bones, changing their facial features and even their body shape in a matter of moments. The scientists were astounded. This was not just evolution at work, this was genetic engineering on a scale they never thought possible. They named this new species the changeable wise man, a testament to its extraordinary adaptability. The discovery of this mutation raised more questions than it answered. How did this mutation arise? What was its purpose? And could there be others like this skeleton hidden in the shadows of human history? Section 4. Living in the Shadows, the story of a hidden species. To understand the life of this hidden species, the scientists turned their attention back to the cave where the skeleton was found. This cave, shrouded in mystery and darkness, held the key to unlocking the secrets of a people long forgotten by time. The walls of the cave were adorned with ancient engravings, providing a glimpse into the lives of these enigmatic people. Each carving told a story, a fragment of a larger narrative that had been etched into the stone by hands that lived thousands of years ago. The engravings depicted a people who lived in small, isolated groups, often on the fringes of early human settlements. These groups were not just isolated by choice, but by necessity, as their unique abilities set them apart from other hominins. Their ability to change their appearance made them both fascinating and fearsome to other hominins. This unique trait, while advantageous for survival, also led to their alienation. They were seen as different, and in a world where conformity often meant survival, their differences made them targets. They were seen as shapeshifters, creatures of myth and legend. Stories about their abilities spread, painting them as both magical and dangerous. These tales, passed down through generations, only added to the fear and misunderstanding that surrounded them. The engravings also hinted at the challenges faced by these people. They were not just battling the elements and the harsh realities of prehistoric life, but also the prejudices and fears of those around them. They were often ostracized and persecuted, their ability to change their appearance seen as a threat. This persecution forced them to live on the fringes, constantly moving and adapting to avoid detection and harm. It was a life lived in the shadows, constantly adapting and evolving to survive. Their existence was one of perpetual vigilance, always aware of the dangers that lurked both from nature and from their fellow humans. The story that emerged from the cave paintings was one of resilience and adaptation, but also of isolation and fear. Despite the hardships, these people found ways to survive, to carve out a life in a world that was often hostile to their very existence. It painted a picture of a species struggling to find its place in a world that both feared and misunderstood them. Their story is a testament to the strength and resilience of the human spirit, even in the face of overwhelming odds. Section 5. Could they still be among us?